Hi guys, today we're going to be starting off with missing numbers for lesson 27 from 2nd grade. So let's start off with our first example, number 3. We have 40 plus blank equals 76. So we're trying to find what we have to add to 40 in order to get to 76. So let me rewrite it right here. So we're trying to get this to equal to something directly. So what we can do is subtract the 40 from both sides. You have to do it on both sides of this equal sign. Now you're going to get 0 plus blank equals, now if you do the 76 minus 40, you get 6 minus 0 equals 6, 7 minus 4 equals 3. So this blank equals 36. So if we try to check it, if you add 40 plus 36, you get 76. So this sentence is true and we found the right answer. Now let's try the same thing for number 6. So you're basically doing the opposite of what the sign in the question is. So since this is a plus sign, we subtracted to find the 36. And in our second example, number 6, since the sentence given is a subtraction question, we're going to try addition. So what this is saying is if you take 255 from some unknown number, then you're going to get 434. So in order to do that, we're going to add. Let's do the same thing. We'll just add the 255 to both sides in order to get the blank alone. Now we have this blank equals 4 plus 5 equals 9, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 4 plus 2 equals 6. And the blank equals 689. So we'll fill in 689. Now let's move on to number 13. We have something plus 92 equals 128. So because we have an addition, we're going to do subtraction. Because this is a sum, it's made up of 92 and one other thing that's added to it. So in order to find that, which is the difference, we're going to subtract the 92 from the 128 like this. Now we have 8 minus 2, which equals 6. 2 minus 9, since we can't do that, we'll have to regroup. We have 12 minus 9 now. It's 12 minus 9, which equals 3. And the answer to this is 36. So basically, that's how you work with missing numbers. And we'll do one last question. We'll do number 14. We have 62 minus blank equals 27. So what this is saying is if you have 62 things and you take away some unknown number, you're going to get 27. So you can think of 62 as a sum of this and this. If you add these together, we'll put a question mark. If you add this together, you're going to get 62. So in order to find what this blank here is, we're going to subtract 27 from 62. We have 2 minus 7. Since we can't do that, we'll have to regroup. 12 minus 7, which equals 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. The answer is 35. If you look, 62 minus 35 does equal 27, so you know you got the right answer. Now let's go over perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the shape. It's the total length around an object. So let's try number 2. We're going to be finding this length all added together. So what we have to do is we're going to have to add the 2, this 2, this 5, this 2, and this 5 all together in order to get the total length of this object. So first, let's start with this side. I'm going to add this 2 with the other 2 right here. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now we got the 2's out of the way. Now we have to add these 5 centimeters. We'll add 5 plus 5, which equals 10. Now, in order to get the total length, we're going to add the 4 and the 10 together. We have 0 plus 4, which equals 4. Bring down the 1. The total length around this object, this rectangle, is 14 centimeters. So we're adding this length right here to this length right here, and this length right here, and this length right here. That's the perimeter. Now let's go over place value. We'll go over number 4. We're just going to be breaking this number down into hundreds, tens, and ones. So if you look at this number right here, we have a 2 in the ones place. So we can put that there. If we have a 9 in the tens place, and then in the hundreds place right here, we have another 9. So this says we have 9 hundreds, 9 tens, and 2 ones. And that is right. And lastly, we'll go over a word problem. Let's go over number 2. It says, it took Ashley 20 minutes to get ready for school. Margaret took 18 minutes to get ready, and Jordan took 25 minutes. How long did they take to get ready in total, and did they take over an hour to get ready? So first, let's find the total by adding all of them up. Put Ashley, which is 20 minutes. Add it to Margaret, which is 18 minutes. Plus Jordan, 25 minutes. So we're going to add it all together. Let's stack the numbers. 20 plus 18 plus 25. Now in the ones place right here, we have a 0 plus 8 plus 5, which is 13. So we'll put the 3 and regroup the 1. Then in the tens place right here, we have 1 plus 2, which equals 3. And 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. It took them 63 minutes in total. And did they take over an hour to get ready? Remember, an hour is 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And they took 63 minutes. Now we're going to have to compare the number 60 and 63. The number 63 is bigger because if we look at the tens place, they are the same. Then in the ones place, the 3 is bigger than the 0. So 63 minutes is more, so they did take over an hour to get ready. So you have 2 parts to your answer, 63 minutes and yes. And that's how you solve these questions for this worksheet, and thank you guys for watching.